Hello sister, come closer. Let me show you how to achieve this beautiful hair wrap for your next Owambe. Hello everyone, welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can achieve this simple DIY gele for your next Owambe. So I'm making use of my 3 layers ashoke, and I just folded it into 2 equal parts, and then the center I gather a rough plate and use my hair tie to hold it in place to form a fan. And see, I open it up just like that. Yes, that's the way I open up that gele material after holding the center of the gele. So I just kind of like arrange it. I'm not kind of doing any pleat or something. It is operation do it yourself, and we want to make it as simple as possible that you can comprehend. For advanced level of gele tie, you can actually make some pleat here, but no, I am doing a DIY for beginners. So we want to make it as simple so that you can understand and grasp the concept of tying gele. And then I'm going to tuck in that excess hand that I roll it, and whenever I'm rolling, I always roll inwardly towards my body, and then I repeat the same thing for the other side. And then I'm going to cross it with that very first one. See the way I'm crossing it? You know what it does? It just gives it more security, and because that hand is longer than usual, it's going to reduce the length of that long flay end. Then I open it up to form a fan shape, and the end result will be amazing, and it's getting there already. So I open up that end and I arrange it, but this hack looks so tall to me. If you are the type that like high hack, yes, this tie is for you. But even me that doesn't like high hack, because it's a DIY, I am going to fold in the length of the Headwrap and make it work and make it frames my face very well. Yes, I'm just doing arranging, and then I'm going to be using the pin to secure that middle part that I arranged together. And now we are done pinning that side. Work on your flay, see if it is too high, archy, or if it is too low, you need to adjust. Just adjust according to your preference. And I'm just making a small rose for that bottom part. And that is the hand that I use rubber band to hold in place. And that's it, guys. You have successfully learned how to tie super duper simple DIY gele Headwrap on yourself. Okay, guys. Yes, moment of truth. I did not pin down that part. You can go ahead and pin it down, or just leave it, tuck it in since it's snuggy. And for more security, we kind of like use pin to secure our Headwrap. But other than that, that's it. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Very simple and beautiful. What do you think about this super simple Headwrap tutorial? I hope you gain value. I hope you understand how to tie this simple DIY Headwrap, and I hope you grab this concept. If you did not, do play it backward and rewatch this clip, and you will be glad you did. And that's it for this super simple DIY gele tutorial. I hope you have a wonderful day, and do not forget to please share this video with your friends, your loved one. Tag them in the comment section. Let them see this video and look amazing to the next owambe pile. I love you all. Stay blessed, stay productive. God bless you.